what do we say 0.18 as money? Go ahead. 18 cents. So our tax is going to be 18 cents. Now, if our tax is 18 cents, how much is the bill with tax? Go ahead and use your calculator. Just let our classmates have a second to figure it out. We're not going to shout out the answer, and the reason is that we want everybody to get a chance to think, because if you shout out the answer before someone's done thinking, they don't have an opportunity to do their own thinking. So the total cost was $6. The tax was 18 cents. How much is the bill with tax? All right, Sonny, what is the cost with tax? $6.18. Okay. Eyes are up front. So I need you to turn around and face the board. Gonna wait for just a few more students to have their attention up front. Table 6. Attention's up front. All right. So what we're saying is that the bill. We're still waiting for a couple of students. Jessica. We're saying that the bill is $6.18. Now we want to leave 20% tip. Okay, we want to add 20% of our bill, leave that on the table, and then we can go. So I want you guys to figure out how much tip we're going to leave. We want to leave 20% tip on 618. Let's take our calculators and figure out how much tip we're going to leave. 20% of 618. Either do you have it? Anthony, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Work this out. The question right now is not what the total price is going to be. It's very simply, what should we leave on the table for the waiter or the waitress? Okay, we're up here in 4, 3, 2, 1. Voices are up. Guys, right now you are doing this by yourself. You have an opportunity to talk to your partner in just a second. Right now, if you're talking about it, you're stopping your classmates from thinking. Everybody needs a chance to think first. Now, turn to your partners, show them what you did. Explain your reasoning, go. Okay, let's come back up here in 4. Advanced students are already up. Kevin is advanced, thank you. 3, Moses is proficient. Alfredo's proficient. Joanna's proficient. 2 and 1. Voices are up. Eyes are up front. Jojo, what did you and your partner get?
For the tip we got $1.24, but originally we got, it was 1 and 236,000.
1 and 236,000.
So we rounded up.
Okay, so you had 6 over here.
Yeah, so I told her we had to do the nearest 5.
Yeah.
And then she's like, oh.
Okay. Okay, so we'll come back to that in just a second. Sonny, if this is our tip, let's take our calculators and put them back on stickers because they're distracting us right now. Waiting for table 6. Sonny, if this is our tip, how are we going to figure out how much the whole meal is going to cost? What are we going to do?
You're gonna add 16
$6.18 to $1.24. And you will get $6.38.
Okay, $6 and not quite 38. Now let's take another look back here. We need our attention again. Table 6. Come on up. Brady. Can we express money this way? Can we say $1.24 and 6/10 of a cent?
No,
What do we need to do here?
you need a simple, no, yeah, simple,
Well, it's a kind of simplification.
no, you need a round.
Round, good. Jasmine, what place should we round to when we're talking about money? So the tens are gonna be right here. What place do we want to round to? Hundreds place. Okay, because cents are out of 100. Waiting for Victor to put his calculator down, or Braden to put his calculator down. Victor. Waiting. Okay, so Jasmine has told us that we're looking to round to the hundredths place. We're gonna look to the right. What does the sixth and the thousandth place tell us about what we need, how we need to round this problem? Hold on a second, because we need to wait again. If you have a calculator in your hand, you need to put it on the stick. Because it's stopping you from listening. Andrew, put that calculator down. If we can't handle them, I'll take them and we can do it by hand on our paper, that's fine. Alright. So we are at the hundredths place, we look to the right. This thousandth place is 6. What does that mean we need to do when we're rounding to the nearest hundred? Jake?
Round up.
We round up, good. So what is this gonna become?
5.
Okay. So our tip is gonna be $1.25. So when we add over here,
No,
we're gonna add.
no, mister, we got 1.236 and then we rounded up
Oh,
to
then you
6
rounded up to
into a
4.
4.
Sorry.
So you're
Okay.
confusing us.
So that should be 236. Okay.
Yeah,
So we're gonna round this up to 24, and then we're gonna add 24 over here. Okay.
Bro.
Good. All right. So I expected Miss Ridney, so we could divide and pair, but she's not here. So I think we're ready to go ahead and try our activity. The way our activity is gonna work. Hold on a sec, please don't shout outside.
Can I go up there and see if she's in her room?
No, that's okay. All right. I need eyes up here. Gonna wait till I have 100% and calculator still down. Waiting for 1. Waiting for 2 more in the back. Waiting for table 6. Waiting for table 1. There, waiting for you. All right, you guys are gonna get a note catcher that looks like this. And we have to wait again. You guys are gonna get a note catcher that looks like this. You're gonna have your work on this side. You're gonna have your solution on this side. I'm gonna pass these out in just a second. Each one of you is gonna have one. You and your partner are gonna pick any poster that you want. There's a problem on the poster in black. You're gonna work the problem out on your paper using your calculator. Sunny, this is your warning. You're gonna work the problem out on your paper using your calculator. Isaac, eyes up here. When you've got your answer, you're gonna look around at all the other posters. So take a second to look around the room. There are posters all around the room. There's also posters on the desk. Anthony, you looking around? Jojo, you looking around? There are also posters on the desk back there. You're gonna find your answer in green, and that's how you know which next poster to go to. Okay, so let's say I get $2.16 for my answer over here. I'm looking, I see 216 right there. So I'm gonna walk over to that poster, and that's gonna be the next problem that I do. Thank you, Senator.